Hello everyone, I am back with another episode of Spotlight Sunday where we discuss the latest happenings in the tech world. So let's get into it. Starting things off, there are many Apple related rumors we have to discuss. Firstly, a 23-inch iMac was leaked this week alongside the iPad Air 11-inch model. These both products are rumored to launch in the second half of 2020. Furthermore, there have been news revolving around that Apple might bring Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro and Xcode support to the iPad OS, which in my opinion will make the iPad OS a much better place for other developers. Moving on, OnePlus after the launch of the OnePlus 8 might be looking forward to launch a mid-range smartphone called the OnePlus Z. It was expected that we might hear some official words from OnePlus regarding the OnePlus Z, but we are still waiting for it. As with the spread of COVID-19, online meeting apps like Zoom have gained much popularity, and taking this into account, Facebook has just launched rooms for video chats, meetings, etc. for desktop and mobile. We also have some amazing news from the camera manufacturer Canon, who has officially confirmed the amazing specs of Canon R5 full-frame camera. These camera specs include 10-bit 8K RAW video with no crop, 4K 120fps, dual ISO and much more. So guys, that is it. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Spotlight Sunday. Keep supporting the channel and help it reach 1000 subscribers. Until then, I will catch you guys in my next video.